We're making healthier breakfast sausage with ground turkey that is easy, versatile, and full of delicious flavor with sage, rosemary, garlic, and maple seasoning. It's a perfect high-protein addition to your savory breakfast. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make the breakfast ground turkey, we're going to start by bringing our skillet to a medium heat. And I'm using my Hexclad hybrid pan because it is my absolute favorite. I'm going to start by pouring in about a teaspoon of some olive oil. Then I'll just move that around. And then I'll add 1 pound of some ground turkey and then start to break it up with my spatula. And then for our seasonings, I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, because this adds fantastic flavor. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of sage, which really gives it that sausagey flavor, a teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of thyme, a dash of black pepper. I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of maple extract, and this is optional, but will give it a delicious maple flavor. And then we're going to go ahead and stir all this into our meat. And we'll flip our meat over so it can brown on the top as well. And then as it's cooking, I'll just gently break it into some bite-sized pieces. And then we'll just let this continue to cook until our meat is no longer pink. And since my pan comes with a lid, I'll go ahead and cover this up, which will help it to cook a little bit quicker. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So it's been about 3 or 4 minutes, and I can tell that our meat is all cooked through. I'm going to go through and break up some of these larger pieces so they're nice and bite-sized. And then I can turn off the heat. And then I have a plate lined with paper towel. So I can go ahead and transfer my meat to my plate. And now we have a plate of maple seasoned ground turkey that is ready to add protein to our favorite dishes. And it is so good. You instantly get a burst of all those delicious maple sausage flavors, but in a much leaner option. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I can't wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.